The Nur of Muhammad had been created before he created the Prophet Adam. Ever before all things were created. This Nur was taken from the Nur of Allah. From the Nur of Muhammad, Allah created the world. In a hadith Qudsi, Allah said, "Lawlaka lawlaka ya Muhammad, lama khuliqal alam." If I did not create you, if I did not create you, O Muhammad, I would not create this world. Therefore, dear brother Muslims, among our obligatory during this month is making the month of Rabiul Awwal as the month of celebration to commemorate the birth of the noblest man. With the commemoration of the novel of the Prophet, the Muslims will be able to get worldly wisdom from the life history of Prophet Muhammad and his companions. Many children nowadays do not know anything about the life messengers and his companions. Even worse, they do not have any knowledge about Islam, but it is named. They do not know the names of the messengers' companions, but know very well the names of artists. They do not know the names of the messengers' companions, but if know very well the names of sports stars. They do not know the names of the messenger outstanding figures and heroes, but know very well the names of singer and dancer. As a result, they cannot distinguish between the right and the wrong, between the good and the bad, and the good people and the wicked people. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very big foolishness. The foolishness that makes the Muslim in this modern era weak people. The foolishness that makes the Moscow of Islam weak. Therefore, celebrate the birthday of Prophet Muhammad with its thinking and contemplation. Hence, commemoration will awaken the heart of the Muslim and get the Muslims to get back to the guidance of the messengers. Allah is known for the praise of the messenger. وَإِنَّكَ لَعَلَى خُلُقٍ عَظِيمٍ, and do an unexalted standard of character. Al-Kalam 4. Okay, thus celebrate the birthday of Prophet Muhammad, and in the end of my speech, I would like to give some conclusion. First, the month of Rabiul Awwal is the birth month of the noblest man, namely of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the birth month of the noblest man who has a perfect soul, manner, and brain. Second, the month of Rabiul Awwal as the month of celebration to commemorate the birth of the noblest man. With the commemoration of the novel of the Prophet, the Muslims will be able to get worldly wisdom from the life history of Prophet Muhammad and his companions. I think it is time for me to finish the speech begging your pardon.